Welcome to our discussion on overcoming common IT challenges in business. As Ray Sweeney, Chief Commercial Officer of Sensible Business Solutions puts it, as a business owner, your focus should be on growth, innovation, and on providing the best possible service to your customers. Technology is a tool that's there to help you achieve those goals. If it's not doing its job, something needs to change. With that in mind, let's look at 5 common business IT problems and what you can do about them. 1. Slow internet. This is a common problem, but it usually can be fixed easily. Try clearing your browser's cache, restarting your modem, or reducing the number of connected devices. If these don't work, consult with network experts for a deeper analysis. 2. Security risks. Cyber threats are always evolving. Protect yourself by updating software regularly, using strong varied passwords, and enabling multi-factor authentication. Consider partnering with a managed cybersecurity service for comprehensive protection. 3. Complicated cloud services. To simplify cloud usage, organize your files clearly, sync across devices, and back up data regularly. If it's overwhelming, a managed cloud service provider can handle these tasks and ensure optimal cloud setup. 4. Navigating remote work. With approximately 20% of Australians working from home, effective communication is crucial. Use tools like Slack or Microsoft Teams, train your staff, establish regular communication protocols, and secure off-site devices. For persistent issues, a managed IT provider can help. 5. Making IT cost-effective. Balancing IT costs with value is key. Avoid cutting costs on essential IT solutions, as this can be more expensive in the long run. Evaluate the long-term benefits and potential savings of each IT investment. Remember, you don't have to tackle these IT challenges alone. If quick fixes don't work, managed service providers like Sensible Business Solutions can offer expert assistance. We aim to make IT seamless and prevent problems before they occur, allowing you to focus on running your business. For more information or assistance, reach out today.